Welcome parents to the virtual curriculum night for Math 1. This is Karen Barefoot, your child's math teacher, and I will be leading you through this. For your child's success in Math 1, we ask that they have a binder or notebook solely for my class. They are responsible for their notebook and keeping their homework, warm-ups, notes, and all classwork in it. I also ask that they have pencils daily, and the graphing calculator is optional. If you are looking for the TI 84, 84 plus, or 84 plus CE, those are the models that I would recommend. It is optional, it is not mandatory. The topics that your child will be learning this year are as followed. The big thing this year for your child is that they'll be taking two state exams. They take the Math 1 EOC and the Math 7 EOG. They will receive a score for both 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. But the Math 1 EOC is an actual grade and it counts for 20% of their final grade. So that means semester 1 is 40%, same as semester 2. And then that EOC is that final grade. You'll see it at the very end of the school year. For this class, your child is receiving a high school credit for it, so it does count as one of the 4 years. The grade does not count towards their GPA, but it is on their high school transcript. So the path that they would follow after Math 1 is 8th grade. They go into Math 2, freshman year, Math 3, honors potentially or standard. Sophomore year, honors pre-calc. Junior year, AP Calculus, AB, or BC, and then senior year, AP Statistics or AP Calculus. A tool that we'll be using a lot this year to practice the skills is IXL. Your child has already received their username and password on a card, and it would be found in their agenda or in their notebook. Another thing that I strongly suggest and take a lot of points for is showing all your work for all homework, classwork, and especially quizzes and tests. I need to see what they are doing to receive all of their credit. Thank you for attending the Math 1 curriculum night. I appreciate your time.